If they get the bail, where are they? They have not been investigated so far. The evidences are not been collected. In these circumstances, I don't think they will get the bail, because lot more to come. It is not a simple case wherein, and there are so many other things which add to come. This is a very, I feel, small portion of the cheating and loot has come out. But if you see, this is a big misappropriation and fraud.
Do you think some political interference is in?
I don't think any political interference, but there is no political will to get them booked.
So on the day of the meeting, what made so much agitation outside the GCA?
See, it is a birthright, or it is a fundamental right of any life member or any club to attend a general body meeting, because that is the only forum wherein they can place their views in front of, they can place their opinion, they can put their resolutions in front of AGM. That is the only time that they get, once in a year or twice. And if you restrict them and if you deny them the admissions, then you have a malified intention to settle on, to get very few clubs who are interested in your business. They will come, they will resolve something, they will expel all those who are asking for inquiry, who are asking for audit, who are asking for accounts. They will be expelled. And this is a kind of there's no democratic rule as such which was placed for last so many years. What they used to do is always call a general body meeting or any meeting. They never discuss the things, but they minute a very big agenda. The agenda is already there. The minutes are recorded. It is only to sign and say that we have resolved this. One or two people take the resolution in the beginning only. The prior to meeting, everything is typed and kept. Okay, and this is the way the thing. I mean, the modus operandi of operations of GCA are like this. Nobody is there to ask. Nobody is. The government cannot interfere, saying that this is not a correct procedure. BCCI is not asking, because BCCI is in their own mood. The way GCA is operated, I feel the BCCI is being operated in the same fashion.
If given a chance to you to control the GCA, are you willing to take it?
Absolutely no. I am not the perfect person to be a president and to manage GCA. I am a person who will look after, who will guide, rather who will help them in coordination with the government, whatever they need for a smooth functioning. I will be always there from behind, but I will not come and take over the GCA. That is not my job. I am a politician. Let me do politics. This is a sports. Being a sports lover, I will come here as a sports lover, not as a politician to control. Absolutely, I have no interest to become a president of GCA. But if given an opportunity to be a simple member in order to get the coordination from all over, then I might accept if everybody, but not as a committee member, a treasurer or a president, nothing. I have a clear mind on that.